This is what I have to deal with when we're doing work on the Jeep.
I'm almost there.
Oh my, let me.
So we need to trim. Today is trimming day.
So I'm gonna have to just connect that, I guess, when I can see it.
And so we want to make sure we know exactly where we're cutting once we are invested. And I don't mean we, I mean him. Now that we have 38-inch tires, they rub, so we gotta trim.
There you go.
Nice.
I like it.
Looks good, babe.
Okay, that's it. So it's gonna be, it'll be way up in there.
It needs to be. We got big
Yeah, you're
tires.
gonna see a bunch of that shit.
Well, we'll make sure it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Joe finalized where he wanted to cut, and he started cutting. Making the turn was a little tricky, but Joe handled it just fine. So he wants to do this last little bit of nip.
So Buggy can get her.
And then we're gonna do a little tuck.
That's hilarious. A little nip tuck for the dog. Here you go.
Done.
There it is.
Great job, babe.
Let me see if I can straighten her up a little bit.
This front wrinkle has been bothering us ever since we flexed into it into Hoya. So Joe's trying to see what he can do to flatten it out just a little bit.
What do you think?
I like it.
That's good product, bro.
I like it a lot.
To cut, to get it to fold over. But that's all folded
That
over.
looks good.
Yeah, and then we'll get all that so it's not slicing our tires.
Doing awesome, babe.
You want to hand me the grinder real quick, honey, and I'll do a little slice right there.
Okay. He did a little nip off camera, and now for some tuck. Perfect.
Look at that.
That went so much easier than I thought it was. A little spray paint to look good as new. Joe wants to clean up those sharp edges, keep them off our tires. Clean them up. It's like a big old mouth.
Took that bumper right to the junction of the weld there.
Yep.
I mean, that's it.
But you know, there's enough meat in there that it's perfectly fine.
Yeah. Oh man, did you bring some out here?
We repeated the same process on the driver's side, and we used a thin board to protect the blade from the windshield wiper fluid bottle.
See it burned the fucking paint there. Dang it. Got the paint a little bit. See it?
Yep, it's all right.
I mean, that is what it is.
Because we're gonna put stuff.
Yeah, we are.
You take a fanny mask, save the bottle. Here's the before, and here's the after. Wow, there's a lot more room. We will order the 3M trim that we've used in the past, and we order it from DPG Off-Road, and we'll put those around the new fenders. Next are these tie-down brackets that we ordered from Rough Stuff Specialties. Since we tow a lot, we want to make it easier for us to load and unload the goat. And welding these brackets onto the axles will make things go a lot easier and faster. But first we need to alter them a little bit to get them flush with the size of our axles.
Our tie-down brackets are the back axle, but there's a little bit of a gaposis on it because of the bigger axle, so we're gonna use some welding rod for filler so it fits on there so I don't have to try and fill a big gap up down on the axle.
Smart.
Yep. And this is how we do it.
Perfect.
Just right like that. And turn it. Like that. And then we check. Perfect. Oh, you know, Bug.
Man down.
Why'd you do it, Bug?
Man down. Look at those welds. Nice welds, babe. Baby's knows how to weld a thing or two, don't he?
I'm getting my welding back down.
You are. We got lots of welding to do today. Today is weld day.
There's all that.
that welder's loud.
That one's holdable. Okay, I got both sides then. You want to do a test fit?
Let's do a test fit.
Okay. How's it fit?
Pretty damn good, babe. At least that side. Look what I did. I melted it.
Melted your phone? Oh, that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's hot as hell.
Now that they are a good fit, Joe gets to welding them onto the axles. So I don't know if y'all have ever noticed.
Yeah,
I don't know if you
it's
ever
the
noticed
power cord. The guy we got this from used a Christmas tree cord for this thing. And we've always
So-
wanted to change it over, and this is our old cord from our camper. She's a little thicker, so that's what we're gonna do.
It's a great idea. Cut it out.
Man, these scissors, holy crap. Watch this, I could,
Yeah, hold on,
these
back up. Okay.
are scissors. What?
What? After we switched out the power cords, Joe had much better welds.
Great, well, look at that. Down in the deep V,
Oh, look at you.
look at that guy.
Good
See him?
job, babe.
That got in there deep.
Those are important welds for sure. Joe loves that he has learned to weld, and he's pretty darn good at it too.
Hey, baby.
Get it down, man. Great job. You like welding, babe? This is going to make it so much easier to strap down the goat onto the trailer.
Put your fingers right there. You know how people are always sliding down? That thing is so sharp and thin that would go in. And then also, I'm sure it's balanced to be a throwing knife.
Wow, that is beautiful.
That coup, and then little sheath.
Pretty.
You have to send a picture to Mike and say, did you know you used to have this before the bug claimed it?
Do you know you used to own this?
Yeah.
It's mine. Mine.
Mine.
I mean, talk about Mr. Welder today.
That's what's up, Buggy.
I told him, I was like, dude, take your jacket off. Take 5.
Well, you said take more than that off, Bug. Come on, this is PG, Buggy.
Have some
PG.
Gatorade, chill out. It's another beautiful Montana day, and we're welding away.
America.
America!
What were you saying, Bug?
So this is what we've been waiting for.
This is the scene, Bug.
This is the scene.
We are going to...
After
Everything's done.
trimming. And soon we gotta add the 3M trim back.
Yeah, we will put that on after we flex. But all this work to go see if we rub anymore.
Bump stops, the hockey pucks.
And if we rub, we are gonna add some bump stop because we're not gonna cut anymore. We have cut enough.
And this is the line we're gonna look for right here.
That's it, Bug.
Right there. Right there.
All right, Bug, get in there.
All right, let's do this.
Bug.
Moment of truth. We've got room everywhere.
Well, can the tire go up further though?
Yeah, go up 4 inches.
Okay, let's get it up. Let me try over here.
Yeah, you just gotta find a different spurt. We gotta try someplace else to flex. And there's enough room out here, enough things around that we can be creative. All right, hold on. Oh, hell yeah.
Can I go further or not?
Yeah,
How's that?
good.
Stuff in there pretty good?
Yes, further than last time.
Is she flexed out on the other side?
Oh, she's super flexed out there on the other
How's
side.
she look? Am I gonna hit the bumper if I turn?
Nope.
Front bumper?
Nope, you're good.
Everything's good?
Everything looks great.
All right. I'm happy with it. Are you?
Me, I'm very happy.
We did it, Bug.
Hey, we did it!
Let's do the oil on it.
Yep, then she's ready for 6 months of travel. Oh, I love that damn Jeep. Ah, I love that damn Jeep. I love the state of Montana. And I love my boo. And hey, I love you.
That's Bug's seat right there. Now don't sit back here, Bug.
This is the first time we're changing the oil on the new Grey Goat, and we can't reach the oil filter.
So Bug's gonna have to get up on the tire.
It's either a ladder or a...
No, it's Bug on the
or
tire.
I become a tire girl.
We're gonna get Buggy in her little
Tire bug.
coveralls. They're a derb.
38.
What's that, Bug?
Look. Ha! When you change the oil! Yes!
A 5-gallon bucket fits.
Fits right there, baby.
That's what's up.
That is what's up. No more lifting. No more moving oil from this to that.
Oh my God, what a snaky bug. This is what I have to deal with when we're doing work on the Jeep.
I'm almost there.
Oh my, now I gotta go get Bug what she calls a hand panty. That's a hand panty for the Bug.
Reach!
Put on your butt is so dirty.
And it's up my butthole too.
Pull it out, Bug.
All right. Like I always say, you gotta clean up the messes you made.
So Bug made a mess.
Always. Well, we're officially done with the gray goat. She's got a 6-month road trip ahead, and she's done. She's ready. We've done everything. I just got in the goat to back it out, and this was what the odometer said. 170,800 on the nose. On the nose.
It's just, that's cute to the Bug. And I gotta burst your bubbles. Is we still gotta put the belly skid plate on.
Edit out. Edit it out. It's done. Or we have to drive another 100 miles before it's finished.
That's it, Bug.
All right. Bug out.